Hey everyone! I am so excited for this video because I am redoing my room again. It's not going to be as much change as the first video. I'll link that one down below because that one was like an extreme makeover. If you guys know what I'm talking about, you know. This is the before. And then we took down my curtains because it was getting pretty dusty. And then I did buy a rug right here. It is going to be so pretty. So right now I'm just going to be moving my stuff and putting it in the living room. So I didn't mention this in the beginning of the video, but the reason I am redoing my room is because we actually had a flood in our house. I think it was back in July, and this video has been filmed for months and months. But I thought I might as well redo my room if I'm getting new floors. They have almost finished my parents' room, and now they're gonna do the inside of my closet and my floors. So this is my room. It looks smaller for some reason. We still have, this looks ridiculous, but we still have like our clothes in here. So my mom thought it'd be best if we just cover them, even though it's not covered from under, but just cover them so it's not dirty. And then, oh my freaking gosh, I almost tripped on that. Oh my gosh, that's all of our carpet in our backyard. So now we are going to paint the walls first, actually, so that we can put the bed back and then everything would be done, and all they would really need to do is fix the framing. But it is looking so good, you guys. This is what my room is looking like. It's still quite a mess. Yeah, so this is the situation right now. We've just been sleeping there. So my dad has painted pretty much this side. I just need to fix like the edges and stuff. I could definitely do this side. So I just realized that I'm wearing the exact same shirt as I was last week. A very huge update on my room. My dad finished painting and then we put down my rug. It is so beautiful. I love it so much. It's actually a rug that I saw from Lainey Osnark, and I'll have her video down below. It's her apartment tour, and when I saw this rug I was like, this is the rug I want. And we also got my fan up. It is such an adorable fan. I know it's all random, but like I have never had a fan in my room. And then another thing is that a couple days ago my mom and my sisters and I, we went to IKEA. I got a bunch of things. I feel like I should just show you guys. As you can tell, I got a plant. For the plant, I bought this basket, and then something else random that I got is actually this bowl. I also got this full bed sheets. There's a flat sheet, a fitted sheet, and then 2 pillowcases. And then I also got this clothing rack. I think I'm gonna build it tonight. Another random thing are these cute grocery bags. These are so cute together, the green and the pink. I love that. There were flowers hanging around, so I was like, might as well. That's everything that I got from IKEA. And my mom and I went to Marshall's. You guys, if you are not on the bandwagon for Marshall's and TJ Maxx and Ross, get on it. And for such an inexpensive price, I found this super cute chair from Marshall's, and I'm actually sitting on it right now. It is pink, it's super soft. I love the material, it feels so comfortable. And then also what came in the mail today are these pillow covers from Amazon. They are so cute, you guys. Home from going to Target and stuff, so I wanted to show you guys the frames that I got. So I got 2 frames. Both of them are the same size but different. So this is 8 by 10. I also got 5 by 7s. I'm gonna try to arrange them how I see it, like on Pinterest. I feel like that's fine. It was actually really hard to find pictures that really matched well together, but I found these off Pinterest for free. I just printed them on my printer, but I do want to give a shout out to the artists and the creators of these artworks. So I'll try to link the Pinterest links in the description below for you guys so you can find out the artists yourselves. And just like that, they're all done. They actually turned out so good. I'm gonna now just hang these up. Oh, how do I do this? Hanging up the frames was actually so hard for some reason. I think it's just because it's like my first time doing it, but I really just needed my sister to help me figure out if like this was in the right place or if it was straight. But other than that, everything was literally all me. But yeah, I think it turned out really, really cute, and I'm happy with how the pictures look. So I'm all done with my bedroom, and now I want to show you guys a tour. Starting with the back of my door, I just keep a bunch of like weird stuff here. I keep like bags, belts, I have a robe. So next to my dresser, I keep like my exercise or yoga mat here and some dumbbells. So starting with this side of the room, I have my chest here. It's a white chest from IKEA. It has 2 small drawers and then 4 big drawers here. On top of my chest, I have these 2 books. I have Lala Delia's Vibrate Daily Hire. I still have to finish reading this, and then this book right here, Hazel actually bought for me, and it just has a bunch of pictures of us. And then I actually did this all on my own, and then back here I just have a baby picture of me. I keep my perfumes here, a Polaroid camera, my Apple Watch. So this is temporary. I'm still trying to look for another kind of tray to hold all of this stuff. So with these 2 drawers, I keep my jewelry. I keep my earrings here, and then I have my jewelry boxes over here just for travel, and some of them actually hold my necklaces and stuff. And then for this drawer right here, I keep all of my sunglasses. I feel like it's the best storage for now. So for these drawers, they're basically all closed. Next to my chest is actually the plant that I got from IKEA. I forget the name of the plant, but this plant holder is also from IKEA, as I also showed you guys. So I just keep that next to my chest. Here is my TV. It's a Samsung TV. It actually is, something's wrong with it and it's just not turning on, so I don't understand what the problem is. We'll fix it. Okay. Here is probably one of my favorite parts in my room now. This chair is actually from Marshall's, as you guys saw, and it's so comfortable. It's probably the most comfortable chair I have ever sat on. So this table here I got from IKEA as well, and then here I keep my makeup, which I'm not really going to show you because I haven't really organized it yet. Here I have my laptop with my laptop stand, and I also got this from Amazon. I'll make sure to link it down below for you guys. It's just so much nicer for your posture and your back so that you're not slouching when you're on your computer and stuff. And then here I have my beauty blender holder and my everyday makeup and my mirror. Above here are these two shelves that I actually thrifted. They're both originally from IKEA, but I ended up finding them at the thrift store. At the top shelf, it has my YouTube 100,000 subscriber plaque, which is awesome. And then I have my fake plant, again, I also got from IKEA, as well as the plant holder. And then down here I have just a candle from Target, pens and pencils and highlighters. I also have a picture of his and I, and then a cute picture of me. So this is my bed. Thrifted the headboard. If you guys didn't see my other room transformation video, I'll make sure to link that below as well. I thrifted this. It was 20 bucks at the thrift store, which is crazy. My bedding is from Marshall's. I have this blanket that I got from FabFitFun. These two Dalmatian polka dot pillow covers are from Amazon. Above my bed I have the art frames that I put together. I printed a bunch of pictures. I really like all of the pictures together. They go super well and I love all of the colors. Above my headboard I have these two vases from IKEA. I didn't really know where to put them, but I thought they looked so cute with the frames. Here I have my nightstand. I also actually thrifted this as well, which is crazy. It was $10. Here I just keep my Google Home. My lamp is also thrifted, but I'm pretty sure it's originally from IKEA. I keep my glasses, and then I have a ceiling fan in my room, so I keep the remote right next to me. And here I have my water bottle. In this drawer I keep it's really messy, but I keep a bunch of things that I would just need. And then here I have a bunch of like paperwork, my technology stuff. And then next to my nightstand is my clothing rack. So I got this new clothing rack from IKEA. It's a little bit more simple than the other one. The other one was just a little too bulky. I have this bag from Lisa Says Ga, and it's so cute. I love the color. I feel like it goes really well with my room. And then I have an Aldo bag that my mom got for me for Christmas one time. Right now I'm keeping some late summer stuff, like the colorful stuff, and then some fall pieces. I have these two bags hanging that I got from IKEA, as you guys saw, just over here because I thought it was cute and I don't really know where else to put them. And last but not least, we have my closet. Half of this stuff is my stuff and then half is my sister's stuff. So I just keep like dresses, jackets, and stuff like that in here. It's kind of messy because don't show that. It's kind of messy because I just like stuffed a bunch of stuff in the closet so that you didn't see the mess in this room. I forgot one more thing is actually the rug. As you guys saw, I got this brand new rug. It is from overstock.com. I'll make sure to link it down below for you guys. I feel like it goes super well with the room and it's not too echoey, and I love how it makes me feel comfortable. So that is everything for my room transformation and room tour video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know the layout is basically the same thing, but obviously I changed a couple things. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
Butterfly. Oh yes, of course. Hmm?